In this sponsored video, we're going to be taking your everyday boring salad and super fry it into this wonderful chef's salad. With the help of the professional salad shooter from Presto, a national brand producing high quality small kitchen appliances since 1905. And now that we've taken care of all of these soft ingredients, we're going to go to the hard ingredients. We're going to start with the ridge cut for the carrots. The ridge cuts for the carrots. Take off. Easily exchangeable cones. This cone is now ready for the dishwasher. For the cucumber and celery. Flat cut. The cucumber will not fit in the small section designed for carrots, celery, and other thin vegetables. So we'll take the whole thing out. Again, using the flat slicer. Flat sliced cucumber. Now for the cheese. The cone is easy to replace. Twist. Take the cone out. Remove any stray vegetables. Wash in the sink or the dishwasher. Medium shredder for cheese. Push it in. Lock it down. Beautiful. Open it up. Now the cone for the cheese. There will be cheese bits left over. You can decide to put them in, or eat them, or set them aside. Me, I like a good cheese. Hand wash, washing machine, top rack. Last cone, super shred. This one that might not make the cut. Wow, I'm impressed. I did not know that was gonna work. To be honest, I was surprised the ham was shredded so well. A completed chef salad. Now you have super fried our boring salad into this wonderful chef salad. To see what else the Presto Professional Salad Shooter can do, click on this full review link right here.